Hello and good evening. Welcome to this evening's news bulletin on Goa 365 with me, Amanda Alfonso. The stories that made headlines today. Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar resigns after substantial persuasion. State Cabinet approves draft mining policy. And Mapsa municipality workers on an indefinite strike. Now for the news in detail. The stage is all set for the induction of unattached Talegaon MLA Babush Monserrat after the Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar tendered his resignation to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath this afternoon. The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that he has accepted the resignation submitted by Mr. Narvekar.
Submitted his resignation.
In person or by fax?
In person, I had called on him at his residence, and I am happy that keeping in tune with the wishes of the High Command, Sri Narvekar submitted his resignation.
The All India Congress Committee General Secretary and Goa Desk in charge B.K. Hari Prasad returned to Goa last evening to complete his mission of inducting Mr. Babush Monserrat into the Council of Ministers in a private jet after briefing the Congress High Command on the political developments in Goa. With the induction of Mr. Babush Monserrat into the Council of Ministers, the Congress government has now fulfilled the promise of a cabinet berth given to the unattached Talegaon MLA Monserrat in lieu of support he extended to the Congress government when it was reduced to a minority in July last year. Before submitting his resignation, Mr. Narvekar briefed his supporters at his residence at Mapsa on the present political developments in the state. He went on to add that he was resigning as per the wishes of the party high command and not for being charge-sheeted in the ticket scam. Further speaking to Goa 365, the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath informed that Mr. Monserrat would be inducted into the cabinet by the evening.
Political 5 o'clock is the swearing-in ceremony of Mr. Babush.
The State Cabinet yesterday approved the draft mining policy put in place to streamline mining activity in the state. In the last assembly session, the government had assured the House that the state would have a new mining policy as per the demands of the opposition.
Secondly, in the last assembly, the assurance was given that government will formulate a mining policy. Accordingly, a committee was set up under the chairmanship of Secretary Mines.
It's a draft policy.
And the draft mining policy has been formulated, approved by the cabinet today, which will be thrown open for objections, suggestions to the public.
The State Cabinet, taking cognizance of the increasing number of diabetics in the state, also approved the proposal from the State Health Department for entering into a memorandum of understanding with Novo Nordisk, a Danish world leader in diabetic care.
Public Health Department has decided to enter into a memorandum of understanding with Novo Nordisk, Novo Nordisk, Department of Health Services, for changing the diabetic barometer in the state of Goa. The proposal is basically to curb the growth of diabetics in the state of Goa.
Briefing media persons following the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that Novo Nordisk had selected Goa for its pilot project and that the project would be conducted in 3 phases.
They will do public awareness. They will also do diabetic education for doctors and paramedicos. They will also recommend measures to be adopted and also monitor the progressions of the disease.
He also divulged the benefits of this project to the common man.
The company has proposed to run a project, the Changing Diabetics Barometer in the state of Goa. The new way of thinking for starting, sharing, comparing results on all levels and in all stages of the diabetics life cycle, and an important step in the direction of turning the tide in order to defeat this silent killer. It will provide valuable information.
Elaborating on the security aspects of the state, Mr. Kamath said that the government had already requested 3 companies of the Central Paramilitary Force to help fortify the security arrangements in the state.
Minister informed the members about the steps initiated in tightening the security. 3 companies. We already, as I said, we already requisitioned for 3 companies from the center.
He also requested the citizens of Goa to cooperate with the police to maintain security in the state.
People are also requested to cooperate because they are now screening the people in some of the important places or where maximum people go to see something. They'll try to put metallic frames. So I also request the people of the state to cooperate with the security agencies because it is in their interest.
Mr. Kamath said that they had directed the Inspector General of Police to visit each police station in the state to review the security arrangements therein.
IGP has been told to visit each police station and see the arrangement made by them.
We are heading for a short break now. Stay with us. Welcome back. Work at the Mapsa municipality was affected today as more than 200 of its employees went on an indefinite strike, demanding primarily immediate promotions for its workers in addition to regularizing daily wage LDCs and holding departmental promotion committee meetings. Mr. Keshav Prabhu, President of the All Goa Municipal Employees Union, to which the Mapsa municipality workers are affiliated, had this to say.
आमचो मेन म्हणजे आमची प्रमोशनां जी आसा पळय ती आमी ऑक्टोबराच्या मागणी मान्य हे करता आसा अजून पर्यंत आमची प्रमोशन जावना आनी आतां तर एक पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्लो आसा ताजे खातीर हो स्ट्रायक आसा हे जवळ जवळ 200 लोक हांगा आसा जे वर्कर्स आनी ऑफिस स्टाफ मेळून ऑक्टोबराची आमची एकदां नोटीस दिल्ली मागीर लेबर कमिशनरा कडेन उलोवणी जाली थंय तांच्यांनी मान्य केलें की आमी DPC बेगीन बेगीन करतले म्हणून पूण प्रत्येक टायमाक फक्त टायम करून हाडून धरता ना चेअरपर्सन फक्त टायम मागता आनी कांयच करना आनी अजून पर्यंत कांयच करना आमी फक्त एक लोकांची हें जावची न्ही म्हणून आमी वगीर राविल्ले पण आतां असंय जाल्लें आसा आमचे पेशंसूय काबार जाल्ले आसा की आमी स्ट्रायक केल्या शिवाय कांयच जावचें ना अशें आमकां दिसता ना आमी टायम लिमीट ऑलरेडी आमची सोंपिल्ली आसा आतां जें बेगून आज जाल्यार आज करपाचें आमी आज जॉयन जावपाक तयार आसा आज DPC केल्या आमचो कंटिन्यू आसतलो स्ट्रायक